Gardenstown is a small working fishing village with an even smaller nearby village called Crovie, and today we're going to walk you through it. It may be small, but we had everything you could need: a pub, a shop, a harbour, a tiny tea room at the bottom of the village.
Nice to sit in that area.
Yeah, definitely.
Stuff to set up. All this work goes into it. Oh, hang on. Forgot to show you something. Isn't it helpful? Needs setting up, eh?
Yeah.
A short coastal path around a rocky coast with some great views took us straight to Crovie. The village is tiny and most of the houses can only be approached on foot. And just a little further down to the coast was a colourful group of houses called Seatown.
Oh, knock the door then.
That's good, Ruby. Scotland's well known for its castles, and with many of them being unrestored and in their original condition, we set out to see FINDLATER Castle. Don't want to find it later, I want to find it now.